strings are immutable, meaning they cannot be altered once created. This does not mean that they cannot be changed, just that the individual characters of a string literal cannot be changed. So look at my example. I have here a string called example string, and in the brackets we say hello, my name is Alex. Here we say the name of the string, and we use the bracket notation to choose the second character, so the U, and now we are trying to replace this U with this E, so that this hello will change to hello. Okay, but if I will now try to show that in the console, and we can do it, so let's say console.log, and now pass in example string, and don't forget the semicolon, and if I now click on run, we see hello, my name is Alex. And why do we see this? Well, this is because of the mutability of strings. Now we can still change this to hello, my name is Alex, but we can't just change an individual letter like that. So we are gonna have to do this way. So instead of trying to fix it this way, we cannot do this. So let's delete this, and now instead we put an equal sign, quotation marks, and now we can say hello, my name is Alex. And if I now try to run this, we see hello, my name is Alex. So as you can see, we can still change the value of strings, but we cannot just change individual letters in strings. So as you seen previously, we cannot say brackets like we did. So we cannot say brackets and now, for example, say we want to change name to a capital N, so we will count. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we cannot just say 10 and now put an equal sign and pass here an N. So this does not work. We're just gonna have to type the whole thing, which is hello, my name is Alex, or whatever you just want to output in your console or later then in your programs, but we cannot just change individual characters of a string. So this was about understanding string immutability, and I will see you guys in the next lecture.